Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best disposable splat mat on the market, THEO'S 60-pack disposable splat mats. If you're a parent navigating the messy world of baby-led weaning, or just want a quick and easy solution to keep mealtime tidy, this product is designed with you in mind. THEO'S splat mats are made from 100% biodegradable, compostable, and recycled liquid-resistant paper, combining convenience with eco-consciousness. Unlike reusable mats that require cleaning and storage, these mats offer the simplicity of disposable use, which makes cleanup after meals effortless. Each mat measures a generous 47 by 29 inches, providing ample coverage under your baby's high chair to catch every spill, crumb, and dropped utensil. One of the standout features of these mats is their compact design. When folded, they shrink to just about 5 by 8 inches, making them perfect for tossing into your diaper bag or keeping on hand for on-the-go feeding. Whether you're at home, visiting family, or dining out, these mats are a portable, hygienic solution that protects your floors without the hassle of cleanup. THEO'S mats are thoughtfully made from food-safe materials, giving you peace of mind during mealtime. They offer a neutral gray color and minimalistic design that fits seamlessly into any home decor, avoiding the busy patterns you often see with other splat mats. This subtle style means they blend in rather than stand out, keeping your space looking neat. While these mats are designed for single use, their durable paper material holds up surprisingly well during mealtime, resisting tears and managing to contain liquids for the duration of your child's meal. After use, you can simply toss them in the trash or compost, knowing you're making a responsible choice for the environment. This product also supports small business values, with founders who created THEO'S to address the everyday challenges parents face with mealtime messes. Their mission to provide eco-friendly and practical baby-led weaning supplies shines through in the quality and thoughtfulness of these mats. Overall, THEO'S disposable splat mats are a smart, sustainable, and stress-reducing tool for parents. They simplify cleanup, protect your floors, and make feeding time more manageable, especially when you're out and about. If you're looking for an effective disposable splat mat that balances functionality with environmental responsibility, THEO'S mats are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.